Today, we're going to cover how to go from unboxing to fully installed, along with some tips. This video, however, is not meant to replace our comprehensive installation manuals available on our website under the Support Center tab. Let's unbox AUTO-BLiP. The insert card has links to our Support Center where you can find all the installation manuals and other helpful information. Also, links for leaving us a review and for sharing pics and videos of your build. A decal is included. In the plastic bag, you have the provided posi tab connectors, which make an excellent contact and keep from damaging your car's wires. Lastly, let's take a look at the AUTO-BLiP module where the real magic happens. This unit was designed to detect the press of the clutch and brake pedals before calculating and releasing the rev matching blip. The duration and delay knobs allow you to fine-tune intensity and timing on the go without the need of a laptop or tablet. There are 4 tabs on the inside of the metal frame that needs to be pushed in order for this case to pull out, giving you plenty of room to find the 2 wires that we need for ground and 12 volt in the back of the unit. And here we have the 2 taps installed on the back of the OBD2 port. As you can see, I have installed the tabs on the car's wire first, as you should for all the connections. The wire can be installed after the tab is in place. You need to make sure that these tabs go in nice and straight. As you can see, they're all nice and straight. That ensures that the needle inside the tumbler is going to pierce right through the very thin wire that's provided here. Once you have them in place, then you can go ahead and install the 2 wires into the respective tabs. Yep, and here we go. The 2 wires for ground, black, and 12 volt white are now installed in the back of the OBD2 port. Now we can go ahead and place the casing back in the bracket and be done with these 2 wires. Very simple, very easy on this particular Cayman to find. Earlier models will have the OBD2 port inside of this fuse box, also on the driver's side of the Cayman. You have made the respective connections. The status light, as you can see, will come on. We still have not installed the brake, clutch, or accelerator pedal wires, just the ground and the 12 volt. Light will go off as you power it off and back on as you power it on. Both AUTO-BLiP accelerator pedal wires easily access the accelerator pedal position sensor from Porsche. To make it even easier, just remove this Torx screw right here. It's a T25, and then the entire pedal just pulls up and away, making it very easy to tap into both of those wires. Connecting both the blue and yellow wire for the brake and the clutch switch on a Porsche 718 is done in the front area of the car. So as you can see here, I've connected the blue wire for the brake to the brake switch. And in the case of the clutch, the switch has to be removed for ease in order to connect the tab in place. And the way you do it is you have to press and pull out the switch from its location down in this area. And you do so by using a long needle plier, long nose needle plier. And That's all it takes. Then the two wires are going to have to go through the firewall in order to access the driver's side. Once a successful calibration has been completed, you will have a solid status light. No other lights will be blinking. So to bring the first blip up, you're going to press and hold the brake and then clutch and blip. While holding the brake, anytime you press the clutch, it will bring a blip.